Hi, I just brought this system back from the field and I need to calibrate it. So we thought we'd make a short video showing you how you should check the calibration for your system using the Thorlabs paddle that you had. First thing you're going to do once you've turned it on and get it all set up is just take a quick look when the head is over nothing, so this should be empty, and just check for really bright rings or marks or asymmetries about the field. This has got a little bit here that's typical, not bright enough to matter. Okay, so that's just a quick check to make sure the alignment isn't messed up. Now we're going to check magnification. I'm going to do that by putting the Thorlabs paddle in, and I'm going to scan down to where the digs are. I'm going to select the Savvy Digs 324 calibration file, and just check that the number 40 is reading number 40, right? If it's within a count, you should be fine. You can check a few others. We'll just quickly check the 50 as well. But like I said, they should all be within about a count of their marked values. The 70 and the 100, I wouldn't use those for checking magnification. They're a little bit squirrely. Then I would go get the brightness calibration. So to do this, I'm going to go down to the number 80 scratch, and I'm going to go to the right side of the paddle. The lollipop stick's over here, so I'm on the right. And I'm going to go to the edge. And then I'm going to right click with the mouse in the image field. That's going to zero the scratch length encoder. That's just so I can use it as a ruler. So now I'm going to measure 2.5 millimeters in from the edge. We know that the edges are actually not that great for these plastic paddles. So I'll go ahead and move it in 2.5 millimeters, and then I'll right click again. This is going to be my counting system. So now I'm going to evaluate this. I have to change the calibration file to ANSI Army. And I'm going to record 6 values along the length of the scratch. So this is the first one. This will be at position 0. And I just write down the raw counts. I'm looking for this value here, 53.2 right now. So I record that. Then I'm going to move, watching the scratch length, which is just an encoder now. So move it so that it's 5 millimeters further away. And now I've got 55.5. So I'll record that, and then I'll move to 10 millimeters and so on. So we'll have 6 measurements along each of the scratches, the 80, the 60, the 40, the 20, and the 10. And we can compare those with values we expect because these paddles are all very, very similar. Thanks.